So today's video is pretty damn important to bring to your attention. So it comes to you out from Florida, my home state, and it has to do with my buddy, the Armed Fisherman. I know some of you are subscribed to the Armed Fisherman already, but I know some of you are going to watch this or not. In case you didn't know, the Armed Fisherman just recently beat a stalking charge coming out of Clearwater, Florida. Why did they charge him with that? Because he was simply exposing their corruption, posting videos about them on his YouTube channel, and he took it to trial and beat the case. After he beat the case, the same accuser filed an injunction. So guess what? They granted the injunction. So what happens after that? The Port St. Lucie Sheriff's Department came to his house to take his firearms due to the injunction.
Number 3, firearms. It says respondent shall not use or possess firearm or ammunition.
What?
Listen. Respondent shall surrender any firearms and ammunition in respondent's possession to the St. Lucie County Sheriff's Department.
And she's not feral or anything like that. Right there.
Right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write a...
It's fine, man. Just take the gun and be out of here. I don't want to hear nothing else. Just if you got to take the gun, take the gun.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
No other ammunition or anything?
No.
We're not being rude to you.
I know.
Try to be nice.
Please.
We got you.
Please.
We got you.
I know. I'm not being aggressive towards you. You've got my gun. We're done. Right? We're done. Right? We're done. Right? We're done. Right?
Okay.
Have a good day.
Now, I don't know how long this took, but what I do know is that as soon as he was able to go pick up his firearm and restore his rights back, he went straight to the Port St. Lucie Sheriff's Department.
We are returning your Glock 21, which is in the box. We're returning your magazine and the ammunition.
Can I see him?
Sure.
I don't need to see the gun. You can leave that in the box. I just want to see the ammo and the mag.
The magazine?
Mm-hmm. Go ahead and dump them out because I want to make sure they're all hollow points. Because that's what was written on the, when they came and gave me my inventory, it was all hollow points. Yep, hold on. Yep, hollow point.
Box.
Yep.
I believe.
Yes, sir.
Sir, follow me. I'm going to walk.
Yep, over there to the left. Yep, I saw the sign. And then I'm gonna. No, I don't know if you need to go by the
No,
sign.
you can take it. Just going to walk outside. You want to put? You keep the whole box. You can get the box in there if you want.
Yep.
Your call, my man. Just be safe.
Okay. I was safe. I've been safe with my firearms ever since I started getting them.
Oh no, I was just talking in general.
Yeah.
More of a common courtesy.
Yeah. No, I'm not. I've never had to point my gun at anybody, so I'm the least of your concerns. I just like to express my rights, and it seems to be a problem. Not with you. So every now and again, I get it with you, but everywhere around the state of Florida, they know who I am, and they just don't like what I do. And that is what it is.
So I totally agree with the Armed Fisherman on that one. Now, as you can see there, how they restored his rights and they gave him back his firearms and his ammunition, right? Well, just a couple of hours later, just the county right over, Martin County, he decided to exercise his First and Second Amendment right on a public sidewalk. And immediately this happens.
Come on, guys. Come on. Huh?
Violation of rights or anything like that. However, there is an injunction in place.
Yes. Hold on.
There's an injunction. There's an injunction. You're violating your injunction.
No, I'm not.
We're going to get to the right now. Online. I know everything's going on. Listen to me.
I'm not going to fight you guys. This injunction.
Let me explain it to you. I was just giving information.
The injunction,
be in possession of the firearm right now.
That just got overturned. Can I call my lawyer?
We'll get to that here in a minute.
Yep.
I'll absolutely give you the opportunity.
Let's walk over here off the roadway, okay?
Yeah. Can you take let me call my attorney.
We'll talk in a minute. We'll talk to the attorney, okay?
Yes, please. Before you actually take me to jail.
We're not taking you to jail yet, but you do have an injunction in place.
I understand that. They just gave me my firearms back.
Who gave you the firearms back?
Friggin' St. Lucie County.
When did they give it to you?
Today.
Okay, perfect. That's why we're trying to get to the bottom of it. Because
Call St. Lucie County.
That's why. So like I said,
I understand that there's an injunction. The injunction from the judge said because of all this, because
right
I
now,
never.
I'm gonna take those.
Yes. Hold on. Be careful. Be careful.
is there one on the table?
Yes, sir. I like I said, if you want to take it,
Just for right
I
now.
don't want you to take the firearms, but just
Well, we're going to.
it's it's got a nice seal. And that's
How
why
close you wanna
just take the whole
all you have to do is pull. No, just it's stuck to my belt. Just pull straight up.
There we go.
There you are.
To the legal side of it.
And then
like Michael, like I was saying, we were just giving that information. Obviously,
I
we're
get-
getting calls on you.
I get
It's
it.
Fine, what you were doing,
I get it.
but it's the injunction. That's why we're here.
And like I said,
Yep.
I'm
gonna take this off right now.
Yep. Hold on. There's a QD mount.
Perfect. Yep, I'll get
And then I'm not, like I said, I'm not resisting.
No, you're not at all. You're good. You are good.
Just gonna pat you down for any more weapons.
I don't have any more weapons.
Wallet, I'm assuming.
Wallet, cigarettes, lighter.
Pull your feet apart, Luke. Thanks, buddy. Sorry.
You're good?
Yeah, if you want to sit right here, you're good, man.
I love the other one.
Like this literally just happened. Like literally just got him back.
That's why we're gonna. Where's your injunction?
What do you guys want well, right now, they put me in handcuffs because of the injunction. And we just went through the injunction where they gave me my firearms back, and you are the one that orchestrated that. And any one of you that wants to talk to my attorney about this, because I don't want to. I'm not trying to go to jail, but this is Martin County.
Listen, we have an active.
I haven't.
Active injunction out of North County. Which says you can't have firearms.
That's what I'm trying to get at. That's what I'm trying to tell you is that this injunction just happened.
We just
2 days ago.
Pinellas County, and as of this point, right now, it's active.
It's not active. It just happened.
It is absolutely active.
Yes, sir. I have my attorney, dude.
You can speak to your attorney.
But he's telling you that this just went.
Is this Martin County?
Yes, sir. Like I said, man, I literally just got the hand.
Why did they stop you, Mike?
I was just out open carrying on a sidewalk,
Because they ran your name and saw the injunction.
and they saw the injunction, and they said it was still active. The firearms part.
Injunction is active, but the firearms provision is not.
That's correct. The firearms provision. If you look at letter E on the injunction, letter E says that my firearms have to be returned to me, and they literally got returned to me. I was at the St. Lucie Sheriff's Office. Yes, sir. That sounds good. Like literally at 10 o'clock this morning, I went to St. Lucie to pick up the Glock that you just picked up, that you just took. I literally was just there today at 10 a.m. this morning.
This is why I give so much respect to the armed fishermen. There's not much Second Amendment activists out there at all. We need a lot more, guys. These videos are very important, and our Second Amendment is probably one of the most important amendments, along with the First, in my opinion, guys. I wish I wasn't a felon, because if I wasn't, I would be out there just like the armed fishermen, open carry and exercising my Second Amendment all day, every day, ladies and gentlemen. But this is what sucks about when you actually are convicted as a felon. When I was young and dumb and full of cum back then. But you know what? People change. Like me, I'm a changed man. I think that I should get a second chance, just like others as well. They need to overturn that for the felons, in my opinion. What do you think?
Obviously, if this is the case, I don't get a bond. fireman handcuffed.
Yeah, so James,
If I knew that I couldn't have possessed firearm because he got me out here today, like, that's the crazy thing.
his attorney is trying to call the sheriff's office to stop this.
Your vehicle is in like pile spot. Just so you know.
So, unfortunately, it is. Right now, we're going to have to take you in, violation of the injunction. That's the information we got taken.
This camera's still recording.
All that for what? Because once they drove him down the road, I heard that they actually released him and let him go. These cops are something else, ladies and gentlemen. And all they do is just follow orders for a living. They're a bunch of robots and they have to do as they're told. And no matter if they know they're on the wrong and they're violating someone's rights, but if their boss tells them to do something and they have to follow that order, that's what they do. They're like robots. It's sickening. It's a shame, guys. And who cares about the Constitution, right? Who cares about the oath that they swore an oath to? Let me know what you think about this video, guys. I'm going to leave the Armed Fisherman's channel link in the description below. If you're not subscribed to him by now, what are you waiting for? Wake up and smell the coffee. Go over there and subscribe to my buddy. His link will be down below. If you're new to my channel as well and you like what you just saw right now, hit that subscribe along with that bell so you won't miss none of my bangers. Everybody smash the like button right now. It helps out the algorithm. And drop that comment down below. We'll see you on the next video. Rest in peace. Jay.